Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the RAM of a computer. So we have a desktop here which is from the Dell, and I'm going to show you how to change the RAM, which is very quick and very easy, of course. So first, make sure you remove all the cables. In the next tab, we'll remove the side panel. You might have some screw on the bottom here, so check for that. In my case, I don't have any, so I will just pull this out. And then, of course, look for the RAM. In my case, I have the RAM here. I've got two RAMs here. I'm going to zoom it. So I've got RAM here and here. So each RAM is secured by two clips. If you look here, there's one here and the other one here. So pull them down and the RAM will pop out. Similarly, do it for the next. And here you have your second RAM. And then you get your replacement RAM. So here is my replacement RAM. So the important thing is look for this notch. Okay. And you have, if you look in the slot, you have the similar notch here. If you can see here, so we've got a similar notch here. So this distance is longer than this one in this case, but it might be different for your RAM. So match it in the right direction, put in the slot, and then push. There you go. And similarly, take the other RAM in the slot, push down until you hear that click. If you don't hear the click, that means it's not fully inside. And there you go. Your RAM's inside. Thank you very much.